Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to delete projects of Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar, type in Invideo, log into Invideo's video editor and you'll be on this page. So if you are at your Invideo's dashboard, you will see the recent projects appearing here. And if you are unable to see it, click on the My Projects button at the left corner of the screen and you will see all the projects appearing in this section. Simply click on the three dotted icon under any project and you will see this drop down menu. Under this, you will have to just click on the Delete Project button. Now choose Delete Again. So it's written, deleting this project will move all its version to trash. So when we delete this project, it will not be permanently deleted, but instead it will be moved to trash. Click on the delete button in red and the project will be deleted from the dashboard. Now click on the trash button and the project we deleted will appear here. And by doing this, you will have successfully deleted your project from Invideo. You will see that if you want to restore it, you can click on the restore button and get it back into your projects folder. So that's the simple way to delete projects of Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.